Increase the battery life of your Galaxy phone with the power saving mode and with a few tips. First, open Settings and tap Battery and Device Care. Then tap Battery. Here you can see how often your battery is being used. Let's increase its life. Tap Power Saving Mode. And then tap the switches to customize your power saving options. Then tap the switch at the top to activate power saving mode. Here are a few tips to make your battery last longer. Use your Samsung charger and avoid third-party accessories. Next, connect to a power outlet instead of your computer for a better charge. Also, be sure not to leave your phone charging overnight. And lastly, disconnect the phone from the charger once the battery reaches 100%.